Why does the defense attorney want to know whether any doctor has criticized the care and treatment that you received? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. Okay, so let's say you believe that your doctor was careless, causing you significant harm and injury. And now you've had your medical records reviewed by an expert who confirms that yes, your doctor was careless, and that carelessness was a cause of your injury, and your injuries are significant and permanent. Now you go ahead and bring a lawsuit. During the course of your lawsuit, the attorney who represents the doctor whom you have sued will have an opportunity to question you during a process known as a deposition. It's an examination before trial. The answers you give during this question and answer session, which, by the way, takes place in our conference room in our office, that carries the same exact weight as if you are testifying at the time of trial. But there's a big difference. There's no judge there and there's no jury there. But your attorney is there, the defense attorney is there, and a court stenographer is there to record all of the questions you are asked and all of the answers that you give. Okay, during the course of the deposition, the defense attorney will ask you whether any doctor has criticized the care that you have received. Now, why would he do that? Why would he care to know whether or not any one of your treating doctors has criticized the care that you received? I'll tell you why. Because he wants to know whether any doctor you've treated with has told you straight out, listen, I don't understand why Dr. Number One did this. He never should have done this. Had he done X, Y, and Z, you never would have had all these problems. Or they may turn around and say, you know what? Dr. Number One screwed up big time. Now I have to spend all this time fixing it. You're going to need the following problems. You're going to need the following treatment and surgery in order to fix this problem. In that instance, you should tell the defense attorney exactly what it is that these doctors told you in criticizing the care and treatment that you received. Now, why is that important? It's important because this also supports the claim that you are bringing, which is supported by a medical expert that your attorney has obtained to review all of your records and confirms you have a valid basis for a case. When your own treating doctors support your claim, now the defense attorney has to second guess and wonder whether or not his client, the doctor whom you sued, really did everything appropriately. And now, the next thing he'll do, once he learns which doctors claim or critique the care and treatment that you rendered, he will then ask us for permission slips to try and talk to those doctors. Why would he do that? Because he wants more information. He wants to learn exactly why this doctor believes that this doctor whom you've sued screwed up. Why did Dr. Number One screw up? Why do you believe Dr. Number One was careless? Why do you believe he should have done different things that would have prevented this patient from suffering injury? And now that could greatly help your case, because now it's not just our expert who's claiming that something was done wrong, but an independent physician who has no skin in the game, doesn't care about the outcome of this case, doesn't care what happens to this case. He's simply there to try and treat you to help you get better. Now, when we have a number of physicians who treated you, confirm that you have a valid basis for a case, confirm that Dr. Number One screwed up, now that lends significant credence, and the defense attorney has a better understanding of why you're bringing this claim. So why do I share this quick information? I share it with you just to give you a sense of what really happens in these medical malpractice cases in New York. I recognize you're likely watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter happened in New York and you have not yet started a lawsuit, but are thinking of doing so and still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.